This is a really key event to bring communities together because Colchester is becoming more and more diverse. And about 5 years ago, a member of each community, we got together and we decided we wanted to create something. And we decided we wanted something where we're bringing people from different ethnicities together to celebrate diversity. And that's the result. The result is today. It's very much a community-led event, so all the organisers, all the volunteers are doing it for free. We've had a little bit of support and funding from the police because obviously we are bringing communities together and helping to overcome barriers. The people, you know, through food, through music, through dance, through interaction. It's so beautiful.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. May I know your name?
My name is Duncan. This event is really just for everyone to come out and have a good time, and obviously us being here with the police, so if anyone's got any questions about the police, and they can come and ask us, and obviously we've had a lot of children come over and try on some of our uniform, and obviously I've learnt quite a bit today as well in terms of different food, different culture, so it's just a real privilege and an honour to be here, and we're just really grateful to have been invited here, and we're just having a great time. It's really multinational, and I'm learning quite a bit today about the food and the culture. I just love all the different clothing, like what you're wearing is beautiful. You sir, what you're wearing is just great as well, and so yeah, it's just great to be here so I can learn and hopefully if people want to learn a little bit about the police, we're happy to answer questions as well.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Police.
No problem, thank you very much, nice talking with you. Thank you very much.
I'd climb every mountain and swim every ocean.
Jangan lupa untuk like, comment, share, subscribe, dan tekan tombol loncengnya.